And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna learn this is just not a specific topic. So basically, in functions, we are gonna learn how to pass parameters by reference. So today we are gonna learn how to pass parameters by reference in C++. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! So first of all, we are including IOStream, and we are using the namespace standard, right? So we are including IOStream to print stuff. So now we are creating our own function, but we will go to it after looking at the main method. So in that we are creating an in first num and an in second num, right? First num's value is 10 and second num's value is 20. Then we are printing out before swap and adding a new line. Then we are showing the value of first name and second num. First num and second num. So it will show us 10 and 20. So it will show right now for before swap 10, 20. Then what we are doing? We are calling swap nums, the method that we created ourselves, and passing it first num and second num. And in this, this is returning nothing. This method is returning us nothing. Its name is swap nums. And look at this, guys. We are accepting arguments as a reference. So we are accepting the parameters as a reference. So reference variables are basically the variables that point to some other variable's memory location. Meaning these reference variables are pointing to some other variable's value. So whenever these reference variables will change, then that variable's value will be changed that they are pointing to. And when that variable will change, these reference variables values will also be changed because they are pointing to the same memory location. So over here what we are doing, we are accepting the parameter as a reference. So whatever over here we are doing int and x, so we are accepting and x. So whenever we accept it like and x, then what happens, it creates the reference. This parameter is now a reference to the variable that was passed or the value that was passed. So if we pass a variable like first num, so when we are accepting it like and x, now this and x is a reference to first num, meaning that if and x will get changed, then first num will also get changed because now this is a reference to first num, and because this is a reference to first num, that's why basically because this is a reference to first num, then whenever reference variable's value changes, the original variable's value also changes. So this is a reference variable of first num, right? So this is referring to first num. So whenever the reference variable changes, then the original variable changes. So over here the reference variable is x. So whenever x will change, the original value, that is first num, will change. Similarly, we are accepting another reference variable, that is y, right? So this is also a reference variable, and because this is a reference variable, when the reference variable will change, the original variable's value will also change. So when y will change, that is the reference variable, the original variable's value will be changed, that is second num, right? So in this we are creating int z equals x. So we are putting the value of x into z, so saving it in here. Then we are doing x equals y. So whatever y's value was, that we are setting to x. And now x, remember x was our reference variable that was pointing to first num. So because it is pointing to first num, outside also, because this is a pointer to first num. Okay, so let me take it like this. Over here this is a book, and then this is a bottle, and then this is an glasses holder, right? So this we'll take as x, and we'll take this as y. So this is outside of our function, so let's put it outside of our screen, and this is x. So whenever x will get changed, this memory location is getting changed. So both of these are pointing to the same memory location. So this is outside and this is inside the method, and whenever this will get changed, this memory location is getting changed. And in this memory location, whatever value is there, it is the value of this bottle also, right? So whenever this value will get changed, then this value will get changed in this memory location. And because this is also pointing to the same memory location, that's why the value for both the variables will get changed. So over here we are doing x equals y. So this is basically pointing to first num. So over here, if this variable will get changed, they both are pointing to the same memory location. So then memory location the value that is saved in that memory location is getting changed, and first num is also pointing to the same memory location as x. So that's why first num's value will also get updated. And then we're doing y equals z. So we had already saved x's previous value, and when it is changed, z will not get affected, and we are doing y equals z. So now y is also a reference variable to the y, and second num are pointing to the same memory location. So when y will change this memory location, then for second num also it will get changed. So over here, this is how we are just swapping the numbers over, okay, the numbers that we are getting, and then we are just printing out after swap, and then we are giving a new line, and then we are showing first num and second num. So over here it was showing us 1020, and after swapping it is showing us 2010. Right? And like if we had to do this without reference variables, it would have been much a very big hassle. We just have to we then had to give int an array int, we needed to return an array, then we needed to return that array in which there was both the swap values, then we needed to extract it over here. We needed to over here do first num equals the second num's value, and second num equals the first num's value. So when we get the array, we needed to change the values of first num and second num ourselves over. So it will be much of a hassle. Over here, this is just a reference variable. When the reference variable will change, first num and second num will get changed, and because of that, it is so easy for us now to change. So you see, over this is a reference variable. That's why this is a local variable. Still, because this is referring to the same memory location, it is this this variable's memory location. This because it is pointing to the same memory location. When x's value will get changed, then first num's value will also get changed. Right? And this was it, guys, passing by reference to methods in C++. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.